I want to try new things all the time. It's super addictive. It's a mindset. Hey guys, I'm Chris Northover. BMW have asked me to come and help out on their campaign, #NeverStopChallenging. What the hell does that even mean? It's a random 3 words as a hashtag. I think it's a little bit more than that. It's a little bit more about a mindset and an approach, a way of life in whatever sport or passion you follow. And for me, that passion is motorcycles. I want to try new things all the time, and it might be something small, it might be a big trick. Like for learning a backflip. That was a massive trick to do, and it's something that I thought about for weeks and weeks and weeks on end. I'd wake up one night panicking, thinking, oh, I don't want to do it, I'm scared. And then the next night, waking up going, I want to go and do it now, let's go. And then when the day finally comes and you go out to do the big thing, you have this mental battle of the excitement to do it, but the fear of more injuries, and this kind of cycle begins until finally you land the trick. And at that moment, I'm sorry, there is no other feeling in the world that gets close to that. It lights me up, and unfortunately it's a drug. It's super addictive. I can't get enough, and so after the next few days it subsides, and immediately you're like, okay, now what? What's next? What's the next thing we're going to try and learn? I think that is the essence of Never Stop Challenging. Because of this, BMW have asked me to go out and find like-minded people, find other people who have this illness, if you like, this same need to constantly try and develop a new skill and learn a new thing, not just in motorcycles, and see what it is that makes them tick and how they go about achieving their goals. Welcome to the first episode of The Challenge. So we're here in Croatia with BMW Motorrad, and we're shooting the new model lineup for 2020. And people are throwing bits of paper at me, apparently. What's this? Okay, that's how we do things now, apparently. You see that there? What was your greatest challenge on a bike? There's a few to choose from. There's a few scars to match as well. I think the one I remember the most vividly is probably learning to slide a bike on purpose, not by accident, but actually being able to hold a bike in a drift, in a slide for the first time is something that I can vividly remember as a kid wanting to be able to do. So I promise I'm done with the crashing on it now. So do you fancy going and give it a go? Okay, guys, that was fun, but come on, we're just crashing into cones there. That's not a challenge. We've got this entire warehouse. We've got all this space. Let's go and really see what trouble we can get up to. There we go. That's more like it. You can have a lot of fun with these bikes, and when someone gives you an abandoned warehouse to play in, you don't waste that opportunity. Go and find every corner, hit every jump until you can actually move no more. Luckily this time, we looked after the bike and we had a great time. Let us know what you thought about it and show us your challenges in the comments below. and remember to use the hashtag #NeverStopChallenging. Now in the next episode, I'm going to meet an amazing girl who is an absolute master of precise body movements, balance and poise. And I'm looking forward to showing you guys just what this has to do with riding a motorcycle. Get out there, challenge yourself, and remember, never stop challenging.